This is the Kiinde bottle system. It is a system where you can pump directly from your pump into the milk bag, and then this milk bag connects to this bottle-like device where it has a nipple that pops on and off to feed your baby. The whole marketing of this bottle system is that you're going from pump to bottle with no extra cleaning, no extra step. And while in theory this sounds like a great idea, I'm not a fan of this bottle nipple for several reasons. So for one, this is very firm where it connects to the hub, and then it's very squishy soft at the top. So you have this like really hard, firm plastic disc, and then it's really squishy soft. Now it does have a nice round nipple. That nipple is not pinched or flat, but it is kind of a different oval shape. So my problem with this bottle nipple is most babies are going to latch just to that straw, and they will drink out of this bottle like drinking from a straw. So you'll see really rounded lips. You may see some dimpling in their cheeks as they're going round just on the straw instead of getting a nice deep latch, because it goes really from very firm to soft right at this kind of hub. So unfortunately, great concept, great idea, but the execution of it will have most babies in a shallow latch. While I don't like the nipple that comes with the Kiinde bottle system, it does have an adapter piece that comes with the kit that makes it convertible to other narrow neck bottle nipples, like the Dr. Brown's, which is one of my favorite preferred nipples. My absolute favorite nipple, the Evenflo Balance, or you can get something like just a Pigeon nipple. This nipple has a nice taper to it. It's the same parent company as the Lancino, also one of my favorite bottle systems. You can pop out your Dr. Brown's nipple, replace it with a Pigeon nipple, and now you have a nice tapered bottle system that would screw right on, right onto this Kiinde bottle system. So we're replacing the Dr. Brown's bottle nipple with a Lancino-like Pigeon nipple. So now you can get that nice wide tapered bottle nipple, which promotes a deep latch while using that Kiinde bottle system. Now you know.